Okay, this is an important chapter right here. We're learning D, E, and F. I hope you can see that. I'm going to slide this down just to make sure for this chapter. Learning D, E, and F. Well, we had C before, and we had G. We just played them. But now there's some notes in between. C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. And you can even practice like that. Try that. Now, let's look at this, the march on D and F. They want our second finger to start on the D, and my second finger is there. I'm going to go the new note D, 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 and then up to the new note, which E, 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 and then another new note, F, F, back to E, E, then D, C, D, and then again, now that was loud, now soft. D, 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 yes. E, 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 yes. F, E, D, C, D. That's the march on D, E, and F, 3 new notes.